day number 3 of bragging rights, and we are really excited to see how today's going to turn out because from my knowledge, things are looking a little bit better today, but we will see how that plays out as the day continues and progresses. Because as most, if not all of you know, racing is extremely unpredictable and you never know how the day is going to actually turn out versus how you think it's going to play out. So of course, for our team, we got Josh Manning. He's right behind me over here. And we're hoping that we can get a good pass in today because this is the last opportunity before we move into the eliminations. So seriously looking for an all is well situation for the day. That way we can move on, get to this elimination stage with success and with some more additional data that'll get us in a good position moving forward. But enough of my babbling, because I'm sure you don't want to hear any more of that. I'm going to show you guys how the day is about to play out. So let's do it. weekend been so far for you?
Knock on wood, this has been our best event in a year and a half. And this wouldn't have been alone, including testing, and then the one day at Darlington last week. I've got more passes this week than I have in the last year and a half. We sort of reset the car back to 2024. We did a lot of testing, a lot of stuff, and you know, I got really good data. Struggled a lot, but I learned a lot along the way, so I'm very thankful for that. But we kind of just, I woke up one morning, I was like, I'm just going to reset to what I knew, and the car came right back to where we left off back in November of 24. We're not chasing records. I wanted data. I've been first up in the class, I've been last in the class, and we've gotten down each time, so I think we're finally found the one thing we've been lacking, which was consistency, and we finally, you know, I think I'm 7 passes in a row now, so something to start with.